Rheinmetall aide unveiled a new main battle tank that will replace its flagship Leopard 2 as demand for military equipment is poised to surge in the wake of Russia's war against Ukraine. The KF51 Panther is destined to be a game-changer on the battlefields of the future, Rheinmetall said this week when presenting the 59-ton vehicle at the Eurosatory 2022 defense exhibition in Paris. The main battle tank concept sets new standards in all areas: lethality, protection, reconnaissance, networking, and mobility, the company said in a statement. The German arms maker expects revenue to surge by as much as 20% per year, driven by growing demand for military equipment, according to Chief Executive Officer Armin Paperger. Rheinmetall is boosting capacity and can at least triple ammunition production within the next 12 months, he told Germany's Bild am Sonntag in an interview. The company also is able to double truck output because a lot of Cold War infrastructure can be reactivated fairly quickly, the CEO said. Rheinmetall's first modernized Marder tanks are also ready for delivery, Paperger said, adding that when and where the vehicles get shipped depends on the German government. Berlin has faced criticism for what some see as tepid commitments to deliver weapons to Ukraine. Rheinmetall is currently updating 100 decommissioned Marder vehicles, 88 Leopard 1 tanks, and additional Leopard 2 versions. The vehicles could potentially be delivered to Ukraine or replace equipment dispatched by other countries. The KF51 also includes a 12.7mm coaxial machine gun, which complements the main weapon and can deal with threats from drones and lighter armored targets. A second 7.62mm machine gun can be remotely operated from inside. In addition, the tank can operate 4 quadcopter drones to assist with local reconnaissance. A drone launcher in the tank can also launch Hero 120 loitering munitions with 4-kilogram warheads that can strike nearby targets. Moscow has suffered staggering losses of equipment during the conflict, due in part to Ukraine's use of modern weaponry, such as the US-made Javelin and Swedish-designed NLAW anti-tank missiles. The new Panther tank is said to have an intelligent defense system that can thwart missiles fired at the thin roof armor, a critical vulnerability in both Russian and Western-made tanks. KF claims that it has destroyed or captured nearly 1,500 tanks and more than 3,000 lighter vehicles since the start of the conflict. Russia's dwindling fleet of tanks means it has already resorted to sending older, Soviet-era armor to the war zone, including the T-62 main battle tank.